Hi everyone, it's Two Youths Transplanted, and we are back with another inexpensive fall DIY.
Welcome to our channel.
For this project, you will need a foam board from the Dollar Tree, your choice of these Dollar Tree fall signs, raffia from the Dollar Tree, and this brown black-eyed Susan stem, also from the Dollar Tree. You will need a roll of twine, a pencil, a glue gun, scissors, a ruler, and there is no image for the X-Acto knife, but you will need one. Okay, let's get started.
Today's project is changing a regular Dollar Tree sign into a versatile home decor piece. We began by cutting out a 15 by 15 inch square from the foam board. Then we centered the Dollar Tree sign in the middle of the 15-inch square and marked around it using a pencil. Then using an X-Acto or cutting tool, we cut out the 11 by 11 inch square. Next, we began by gluing one end of our twine to the back side of our frame. We kept all gluing to the back side of the piece for a clean, finished look. We found it much easier to start wrapping on the corners of the frame. Now, and this is how far along we are in the wrapping process. It's only been about how long did you say?
Maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours.
Like 20,
I was 25 when we started off.
25 years ago.
I know.
No, it doesn't take that long. We're exaggerating.
A little.
A little bit, no.
It's just very tedious.
Okay, but it's looking good though, right? It's worth it, don't you think?
Yeah, I think it's worth it.
Okay, so we're going to continue this, and we will be back here once I qualify for the senior citizen discount at IHOP. Okay, we just wanted to show you guys real quick that we did not even use an entire roll of twine, so that worked out really nice. And then this is our finished piece, which we think came out really lovely.
We just love the way it looks.
It looks like it could be a Pier One piece, to tell you the truth, because no one would believe that this was a $1 foam board and some twine, which is essentially all it is, and a dollar sign from the Dollar Tree. So,
and the best part is you can pop that sign out.
That's what we love the most about it. This frame can be reused for every season. We just put a dot of glue in each corner of the sign.
Picture, of
the sign itself, where in the middle of the frame. And we did that just to make it extra secure, because we used the same hanger that came on the sign to hang it. So that's what we're going to be using to hang it. And we just put the hanger through to the back. And just to make it extra secure so that it doesn't pop out on the wall, we just put a couple of little drops of glue on the corners of the frame. But you can easily pop this sign out for each holiday, for Christmas, for Easter. For Christmas, you could take off these little black-eyed Susans that we pick from the Dollar Tree, and you could put poinsettias,
snowflakes.
Yeah, you could you put tulips at Easter, anything you want, and you could just customize it to whatever you like. And we use these black-eyed Susans because it went better with the browns and stuff for the picture, because it's more muted. We had some autumn leaves from the Dollar Tree, and we just didn't like it on there. It just didn't look right.
It made it look cheap.
Yeah, and we like that this had this Pier One look to it. And then for the bow, we just put a simple bow made of raffia from one of the rolls of that 3-pack, and just a simple bow in the corner. And we love it. We hope that you do too, and we hope that you'll give this project a try. And we thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Until then, please remember that in this world of chaos, confusion, and heartache, God is always with you. If you're going to pray, don't worry.
And if you're going to worry, don't pray.
Have a great day, guys. Bye.
Bye.